Mình lâu châu về boxia thì vui vẻ ơ. Chú zero chú zero kan tu mang goal chua lâu kan tu mang goal ni pet kan tu pen goal. Ai sen ko ile tok. Ai oi om lo lut tuk fela ti dana chia kan ti chu le hoi lo na lama ball pass ka fela ti dan chia pa hi này chết lan thì ngã tôi em một tao không tin sẽ là buổi thôi nhưng sự vết đón lại nên bấm đầu về khăn lang xem mà 4-2-4 formation ron mang này player rom dan chung kalau em ya lawan Jong rumi lah ya lang le mai lo wa defense chat pon lo ka thiam tok lo ne ko lo ba kaya ko na min chan ni lo mo ro sang chu so giống nesta hima makin charo tukang o tu ke pas tu eta het lum si landut mak vek se lo ai đốt landut về chứ in min oi hepa defense attack game siam don ne unpaid goal nesta chu ko adwala mai marking that ja khama van doi ve ni kha poi mai
So we have our breakthrough. Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
hit
Pedri. There will be 1 minute added time. Rummenigge. Oh, sweet feet. And the ball's come loose here. That'll be the last
goal khat che kan thun thei chu la
solid. And for now, where they want to be.
comeback do ne bon ko pang Halzan.
There is a degree of satisfaction there. The lead by no means decisive yet, but so far so good. 1-0 at the break. The action has already resumed here. Milan carrying a 1-goal lead. He steps in, and that's the end of that. And they can counter here. And it's Salah. Salah, good purposeful running.
Goal om low goal om low goal om low
Robertson. Strong running down that left flank. Petit. Rummenigge. Time and
So
oh, given away. Casemiro. Here's Rodri. Milan couldn't really be more watertight in midfield. Not a trickle is getting through. Looking tidy in possession here. Rummenigge! He can get that clear. He expected better, and so did he. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe, not one to lose out here, not against this opponent.
come on, more to talk to.
Oh, great defending, that needed doing.
Pedri lại mà
Robertson,
run rút thuốc thế là tụi con
threads one in.
cross
Just a bit on the firm side.
mẹ tâm một cái chuyện na
The ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on.
thì về nó sơ thuốc
Petit. Pedri. Curtis. Milan finding
khởi khá tiền mấy tuổi khá lòng
a 2-goal lead.
tóc mấy
Things starting to look very comfortable. Well, that second goal has given them so much more command.
cái đắng nè chuyện mấy xì
That is commitment.
goal này cần thun tổ bốc á bên goal lậu cần tung tòng
Robertson with the short one. Milan after this, one further opportunity to make a substitution. With intent. Well, the idea was a good one. The execution of it, not quite so.
mà cô sang pasal tra jalan ang ngay bertang liangi chọn về chỉ có lo em anh bồi tê pass come on ay Neymar te panan pet goal thay lâu pet goal kan tum to lâu tak ka player te panan 7 na subur to mai chen paro sang chu rugby khel se thiam don hi
Well read. Danger is averted. Now it's Anthony. Closing in on goal. It's a goal kick.
Anthony ne ma una top don ta goal la ka via ka le voi ni sot ve ne hi do to kan